In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. Understanding how to properly create and manage tasks is essential for keeping your work organized and ensuring everyone knows exactly what needs to be done and when it's due. This process helps improve clarity, accountability, and overall team efficiency. In Asana, tasks represent the individual actions or to-dos that move a project forward. There are several simple ways to create a task, depending on how you prefer to work. You can start by using the Quick Add option located in the top bar, which allows you to create a task from anywhere in the platform without interrupting your flow. Another way is by navigating into a specific project and selecting the option to add a new task directly within that workspace. You can also create tasks within a section by clicking the plus button next to it, which helps keep your work neatly organized under the appropriate category. Once your task is created, the next step is assigning it to the right person. Open the Task Details panel and locate the assignment field. Click into that field and begin typing the name of the person responsible for the task. As you type, suggestions will appear, making it easy to select the correct individual. Assigning tasks clearly ensures that everyone understands their responsibilities and helps prevent confusion later on. If you ever need to remove an assignment, simply return to the same field and clear it. This instantly unassigns the task and makes it available to be reassigned if needed. This flexibility is useful when responsibilities shift or priorities change. There may also be situations where the same task needs to be completed by multiple people independently. In this case, you can assign the task to multiple individuals by creating separate copies. Within the assignment field, choose the option to assign to multiple people, then enter the names of those who should receive the task. Each person will get their own version, allowing them to complete it individually without affecting others. It's important to understand that this process creates duplicate tasks rather than assigning one task to several people at once. Each copy is treated as a separate task, which helps maintain clarity and track progress accurately for each individual. By mastering these simple actions, you can keep your projects well-structured and ensure that work is distributed effectively across your team. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.